Hello everyone, welcome back to another English class. Today we will pick up where we left it from yesterday. We are gonna get it right, okay? So we're gonna continue doing the role play with some of the phrases and vocabulary we already practiced. So we are here in our healthcare unit. We are going to go to get it right. So we click on get it right. We are going to listen to the receptionist and select the correct answer. Let's listen to the receptionist twice.
Good morning, Ryerson Clinic. Can I help you?
That was once. Let's listen to it one more time. Twice.
Good morning, Ryerson Clinic. Can I help you?
Good morning. Let's listen to the options. Option 1.
Do you have questions?
Option 2.
Yes, I entered my password.
Option 3.
I'd like to make an appointment.
Let's listen to the question one more time.
Good morning, Ryerson Clinic. Can I help you?
Do you have questions? Yes, I entered my password. I'd like to make an appointment.
The correct answer is I like to make an appointment. Correct. Let's record that. I like to make an appointment. Voila. That's correct. Let's go to the next scenario. Let's listen.
Which doctor do you want an appointment with?
Is he free on Monday? I want to see Dr. Black. Mornings are better for me.
Let's listen to that one more time.
Which doctor do you want an appointment with?
Which doctor would you like to make an appointment? Remember, we talk about which one. Would you like a pen, a pencil, or a pen? Which one? Which one? This one or this one? You make a selection. You select the pencil or you select the pen. Which? I'm going to select the pen. So when you are asked which one, which doctor, they give you a list of doctors and you have to select from all of them. From which one would you like to see?
Which doctor do you want an appointment with?
Option 1.
Is he free on Monday? I want to see Dr. Black. Mornings are better for me.
The correct answer is I want to see Dr. Black. Please repeat with me. I want to see Dr. Black. I want to see Dr. Black. Let's record it. I want to see Dr. Black. There we go. Let's go to the next scenario.
Why do you want to see Dr. Black?
My back hurts. I'm in a lot of pain. Can I see him in the afternoon? I want to see him in January.
Let's listen to the receptionist.
Why do you want to see Dr. Black?
Why do you want to see Dr. Black? Why? The options are
My back hurts. I'm in a lot of pain. Can I see him in the afternoon? I want to see him in January.
the correct answer is
My back hurts. I'm in a lot of pain.
my back hurts. I am in a lot of pain. My back hurts. Hurts. I am in a lot of pain. The correct answer,
My back hurts. I'm in a lot of pain.
let's record that. My back hurts. I am in a lot of pain. Now let's do the next scenario.
I can make an appointment for May 3rd at 9.
This is my first visit. There are no openings on May 3rd. Great. Thanks very much.
The receptionist is giving us an option to make an appointment.
I can make an appointment for May 3rd at 9.
He's giving us the option to make an appointment on May 3rd at 9 o'clock. What would we say?
This is my first visit.
This is my first visit.
There are no openings on May 3rd.
There are not openings in May 3rd. Or,
Great. Thanks very much.
great. Thanks very much. The correct answer is
Great. Thanks very much.
great. Thanks very much. Let's record that. Thanks very much. Oh, one more time.
Great. Thanks very much.
Great. Thanks very much. Excellent. Now, let's go over a few things that are important, such as on, in, and at. These are prepositions that are used with time, are used with places. So let's look at this for a second, okay? The prepositions are in, on, and at. For example, read about in, on, and add the examples below. We used on before the days of the week, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday. We use on. Before exact days of the month, you also use on, but it has to be exact. On June 5th, on August 29th, on April 21st, on. So you use on when you're referring to the days of the week and an exact day of the month, on. Also, we use at before an exact time, such as at 3:15, at 5 o'clock, at 1 p.m., at, when we're referring to time. You also use in the expression at night. You don't say at the morning. You only say it at night. Now, when do we use in? We use in with some expressions in the afternoon, in the morning. Okay? So let's review that. On, on, on Wednesday, on August 24th, on April 21st, at 5 o'clock, at night, in, when do we use in? In the morning, in the afternoon. We use in, on, and at when it refers to time and exact dates, okay? So just remember, let's look at this. Angela begins work at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, is it in, is it on, or is it at? It's time. Remember, we use Angela begins work at before exact time, at 9 o'clock. We are free Friday. So do we use in Friday? Do we use on Friday or at Friday? 9 o'clock. Friday is a day, correct? Day of the week. Therefore, we use On Friday. On. Let's go to the next one. We don't usually go out. Night. In night, all night, or at night. Correct. At night. At night, because we're referring to at when we're referring to night. Okay? This is the expression we will use. The clinic is open the morning from 9 to 12. Now, this is exact time. Exact time. It says here the rule is when we use at before an exact time, for example, at 3:15. But the clinic is open. We're talking about one specific here, right? So we're talking about the morning. It's kind of like expression like in the afternoon. So we don't use at here. We'll put in the morning. The clinic is open in the morning from 9 to 12. In. Can you meet me Saturday, July 12th? When you're referring to a day, a specific day, you say on. Can you meet me on Wednesday? On Saturday, I'm sorry, July 12th. And the last question, the last one is, I have a lesson the afternoon, Monday. Wow, we have a combination of two. So here you say, I have a lesson in the morning, on the afternoon, I'm sorry, in the afternoon, on Monday. I have a lesson in the afternoon on Monday. So again, we use on before the days of the week, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday. We also use it for an exact time, such as day of the month, on June 15. We use at when we're referring to an exact time, at 3:15, at 4 p.m., and also when we expression the expression at night. And finally, we use in with some expressions such as in the afternoon or in the morning. I hope you learned something today. Please review this. Please repeat your lesson and repeat your vocabulary. And I will see you tomorrow. Okay? At anytime you like. Okay? I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.